me moving!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:15 p.m. At 9:08 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Interstate 95 corridor this morning. Between 1.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen through a combination of rain overnight and this morning. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include